In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping rate calculator to your Shopify Dawn theme. Having a shipping rate calculator can enhance your customers' shopping experience by providing them with transparent and instant shipping cost estimates. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring everything is straightforward and easy to follow. First, we'll start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you're on your dashboard, which is your main launching point. Look over to the left side of your screen and find the Online Store option. Hover over it, and a menu should drop down. From this menu, click on Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme, the Dawn theme, which is prominently displayed at the top. Now that we're in the Themes section, direct your attention to the right-hand side and look for a button labeled Customize. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the theme editor, where you'll have a live preview of your store alongside various settings that you can adjust. This is where we'll do most of our work today. In this view, take a moment to locate the section named Product Pages on the left panel. It might be a drop-down, so be sure to open that up. When you're there, you should see your product pages displayed in the preview. This is where we want the shipping calculator to appear, providing that necessary detail at the right time for customers browsing your products. Now, look closely at the settings available in the Product Pages section. It's time to add a little custom liquid code. Don't worry if you're not familiar with code, it's quite simple. Look for an option that allows you to add new blocks or sections. You'll want to select Add Block or a similar option, and then choose Custom Liquid from the list provided. It's here that we're going to insert the code snippet for the shipping calculator. Let's focus on getting that code in place. There are a few versions available online, but for today's purpose, ensure you have a reliable and compatible snippet. Paste this piece of code into the area provided by the Custom Liquid block. It's like adding a new building block to your page where the calculator will live and work its magic. After you've entered the code, take a moment to press Save right at the top right corner. It's crucial to save your work, ensuring no effort gets lost if you navigate away or need an unexpected break. You can also do a quick check in the preview area to see if the shipping calculator appears as expected on the product pages. Congratulations! You've just successfully added a shipping rate calculator to your Shopify Dawn theme. This addition not only improves transparency for your customers but can also reduce cart abandonment by eliminating surprises at checkout. Thank you for following along with our guide, and happy selling!